Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing of the Bytech Bluetooth true wireless earbuds. It comes with a charging case. I purchased this at Ollie's. I believe it was about $5 or $6 US. So it was a pretty good buy. Let's look on the back here. It says features true wireless earbuds, charging case included. It's hands-free, light indicator, supreme sound, pre-charged and ready for use. Charging case charges earbuds up to 3 times. Specifications here says simulated stereo. Calling time is about 2 to 3 hours. Music time is about 2 to 3 hours. Standby time is about 300 hours. Package inside here, it says a charging case, 2 wireless earbuds, 18-inch micro USB charging cable, and the instruction manual. So let's just have a look here at what there is. I'm just going to grab a blade. So cut this open. Slide this out and let's see. Oh, there's one more here. And see the contents. So there is the case itself. So I'm assuming if we take this out, there are the rubber earbuds, earpieces that go into the ear itself. Here is the instruction manual on how to use it. Okay. And then here is the charging cable. And here is the case. So let's have a look here. We open this up. Oh, interesting. So there's a power on and off. So if you press it on, it turns these on. And here there's, when you want to pick up the phone or change the next song or anything, there's buttons on here. So this is pretty interesting. I look forward to using this. And we'll see how this goes. So hopefully you found this unboxing to be useful. If you enjoyed this, please click that like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care.